Bring it back.
Buongiornissimo Pantere and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Sofia.
And my name is Chloe. Have a ridiculously awesome day.
If you're interested in basketball cheer, tryouts are today in the cheer room after school.
You must have your sports physical evaluation paperwork to try out. If you have any questions, contact
Panthers, are you interested in some new Heritage gear while supporting our basketball team?
Their holiday team shop is up and running through BSM Sports. We have over 50 items in the shop and some holiday heritage team gear as well. This shop is open for the next 7 days in order to get your order shipped to you by the holidays. Here's the link.
May your Thanksgiving be filled with so much turkey that you're left gobbling for days.
Wishing you a day of fun, food, and lots of laughter with your wonderful family and friends. Gobble to you all!
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared. Go Big Blue!